In the Kitchen with the CBD Recipe Guru, more than 60 delicious foods without the high. By Stacey Ray. Don't knock it till you've tasted it. You will be back for more. You're in for a tasty, tremendously healthy, calming, curative treat today, because Stacey Ray, the CBD Recipe Guru, is back with a whole new collection. Inside, you'll learn the ABCs of CBD from a bona fide pro, backed up by Dr. Carol Gemberling Stewart and by Dr. Kenton C. Freeman. From purchasing the proper oil to picking out the perfect pairings, Ray dispenses knowledge every step of the way right to your dinner table. Whip up super CBD sprays that work with almost anything, as well as awesome appetizers, delectable dips, and stellar spreads. You'll master CBD snacks and sides, main courses not to die for but to live for, and decadent desserts, and captivating cocktail infusions. Everything. Teaming with tips and QR-coded audio clips from the resident docs, this piece will make you come to grips with how much CBD cooking rocks. So be prepared to learn a load, get your hands dirty, and fall in love with Stacey Ray's immense array of CBD-licious foods without the high.